Good morning, everyone. Today we're going river rafting. Eventually. Everything ready. Morning, Avery.
Dad, there's a whole thing about which advent piece is gonna be better.
Oh boy, big controversy. Hi, Pickle. Listen. So here we are, August. It's been 100 degrees out here the last couple days, and we're going American River near Sacramento. Take a raft down a river for a couple hours. That'll bring you along and make a video about it. Okay, till then, here we go. Boom. Well, I think we're all ready. Let me turn off their light. Yeah, good kids. All right. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la. You guys look ready. Nice crawler.
How do I put this
What?
The life vest.
I don't know. We'll figure it out. You gotta clip it together. How's that look, Mama, in the bag?
Heavy, but yeah.
Heavy, but functional. Alright, guys, you wanna?
Someone.
How's everybody doing this morning?
Okay.
Gonna have fun today? We got a ways to go till we get there, so don't worry. Backing out. You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, see you there.
U-turn.
This is the I'm probably gonna redo it.
We've arrived. Hi, guys. Alright, to the water.
Alright, just stay there. No.
Here we are. Hi, guys. So it begins.
That's Daphne and Daisy. That's where they came,
I
right?
remember them.
Hold on to everything. Hold on to the guns and the paddles.
Yahoo! Oh, that was alright. Well, they got like high center down the front.
Hey, hide your guns.
Sounds like we should be playing that.
No, 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 no. Oh, there we go. Hey, where's all my paddlers? How's it going, Andres?
Great.
All right.
Having our
Hey, everybody.
yellow watermelons.
Nice. Eating lunch?
How was Washington?
It was good.
Yeah.
Do you want to just do this?
Whoa, nice one.
He got creative.
All right, here we are at the jumping point.
Vanessa, are you gonna jump in with us?
Yeah.
Wait,
Are they going?
together? No. I'm not jumping.
Oh, your phone.
Dad, you're hot.
I was kidding, you didn't know. Alright guys, ready? Alright, you wanna go? Aaron, you ready? Me and you. Together, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You did it, right?
Hey, come on, let's do it again.
Mama, I got it on me.
Did you want to go again, Adobe?
Hey! Hey! All right, everyone.
We're going to get out this
Hey!
Dad.
Yeah,
We're looking at or no rapids?
kind of baby rapids. I think the real ones come at that curve up ahead or something.
The ones at the end.
Some guy came by in a kayak. I don't know. It's raining. I didn't know it was gonna rain today.
Whoa! Whoa!
I survived the rapids.
That was.
Right there too.
Oh yeah, by my foot.
Oh,
How's it feel? You think you could get in on your own?
Aaron?
No.
no?
I see it at the bottom, but I don't think you can get in. Aaron, there's a sea monster behind you.
Dad, there's little rips right here.
It's okay. I think there was a handle there and it ripped off. at some point. There is. He's holding one, but there's another one right here.
Like
There was. What are you guys doing?
Just chilling.
What about me?
Taking pictures.
Well, get over here, Aaron.
Oh, somebody just, a couple people just went in the water. Bro. I know better. And we made it. We made it. Yeah. There's a party bus. What do you think, Adobe?
It was good.
It's good. Everybody's a little something. Hi. Andres, how you feeling?
Doing good?
Not tired at all?
Like, ours are tired.
You always have the energy, man. I don't know. I'm freaking tired. How about you? What'd you think, Avery?
Alright guys, say something interesting. What did you learn today?
A pine cone that's green.
Nice.
It's not a pine cone, but that there's a lot of many fish in the river.
Avery?
She likes brushing ducks.
Ducks. You guys are the clucks. Alright, it's a good thing I don't make videos, you guys.
Yeah.
What was the most fun part?
The big rapids.
That was fun, huh?
I really liked it when we were jumping off the cliff.
That was fun, huh?
You should have done it more.
I just had so much fun watching you guys do it. That was my most fun part, too.
I also liked when we would jump off the boat.
Alright, Adalia, where do good trips end sometimes?
In and out.
In and out. Burger time.